Pure Water San Diego Program, Phase 1, North City. So the City of San Diego's Pure Water Program will eventually produce 1/3 of the city's drinking water, which is 83 million gallons per day. This will be done in 2 phases. The first phase, which we are getting ready to build, will be in the north part of the city and will produce 30 million gallons per day by supplementing the water pulled out of Miramar Reservoir. The second phase will supplement either Lake Murray or San Vicente. The decision on this hasn't been made yet, and that will produce an additional 53 million gallons per day from the central part of the city. Both of these phases are expected to be completed by 2035, but we're only talking about phase 1 projects today. So there are 10 remaining construction packages, 6 of which are scheduled to advertise in 2020 and will be discussed in further detail in the breakout rooms. And the remaining 4 will advertise in 2021. So the next slides show how the construction packages fit together to produce pure water. We start our journey by intercepting wastewater at the Morena pump station and pumping it north to the North City Water Reclamation Plant through the Morena pipeline. There are 4 construction packages here. The pump station is on its own, and the pipeline is divided into 3 segments: the northern, central, and southern alignments. 2 of these packages will be advertised this year: the pump station and the northern alignment of the pipeline. The Morena pipeline will then connect to the existing North City Water Reclamation Plant, where the wastewater will be treated to recycled water standards. There are 2 construction packages here: the North City Water Reclamation Plant expansion, which will allow more recycled water to be produced, and the new equalization basin. The expansion part will advertise this year, and the equalization basin will be in 2021. From there, the recycled water crosses the street to the brand new pure water facility and pump station, where it will be treated to produce purified water through an advanced water purification process. This will be 1 construction project, and it will also be the first one out of the gate. There's some work going on here already. We're doing some grading and some preliminary underground pipeline, things like that. But if you're looking for the project with the highest dollar amount, this is the one for you. The purified water is then pumped east in the pure water pipeline, and it goes through the dechlorination facility and is then released into Miramar Reservoir through the subaqueous pipeline, which was too small to show on this slide, but it's on the next one. The pipeline, dechlorination facility, and subaqueous pipe will be in 1 construction project together, and they'll all advertise in 2020. And here's the end of the line at Miramar Reservoir. You can see the subaqueous pipeline on this slide and how it runs the length of the reservoir. So the purified water blends in with the local and imported water. We're also working on the Miramar Reservoir pump station, which will be its own construction package in 2021. So now the water is back where it started, and the Miramar treatment plant can pull water out of the reservoir, treat it back to drinking water standard, and distribute it to homes and businesses. We're not doing any work at the treatment plant as part of Pure Water, but I thought it was interesting to note just so you can see how the full circle will work once we're done with construction. And lastly, we have the upgrades to MBC to handle the increased flows. This will be 1 package advertising in late 2020. And this is our anticipated schedule showing the order of advertisement and the approximate dates. The first ones advertising take the longest to build, or are on the critical path for total project completion. We've also tried to space them out so the types of projects and the sizes of projects vary. So if you're a contractor or sub looking for facility work, you'll be focused on the first, third, and fifth packages, with the pipelines being the ones in between. So you may be able to get bid results back on one project before the next project of interest advertises. Or you can bid on all of them, that's fine too. Some of the projects on this list you may notice do have non-pure water components. There were other projects that happened to be going on at the same time and in the same place, so we bundled them together for efficiency. So it's like a bonus project. Our breakout sessions will be talking about the first 6 on this list in more detail, so please pop into those sessions after this main presentation to learn more about construction cost estimates, the type of work in each project, and the challenges each one presents. The project managers will be there to answer any questions you may have on specific projects. And that's it for the background information. You can visit our website or follow us on social media. We also have an email mailing list if you prefer. Our website actually has a very interesting virtual tour of the small-scale demonstration facility that we built to show our treatment system works. And you can also go to our website to sign up for our free in-person tour of the demonstration facility. It's not running right now, but the tours will resume once it's safe to stand within 6 feet of other people again. And that's the end of the presentation on the background information.